Hello there, hello the Malsiemper report. Gonna talk about a lot of storms. What is it? 3? And then one that might be a storm soonish. Pero primero. I don't know why I still keep the accent. Pero primero hablamos en español, ¿sí? Sí, es la verdad. Esta podría ser la futura tormenta tropical Octave, no sé. En este momento, esta zona de probabilidad tiene una probabilidad de 60% y en los próximos 5 días tiene una probabilidad de 90%. En el Atlántico, esta zona tiene una probabilidad de 30% y 40% en los próximos 5 días. 5 días, sí. Esta tormenta o depresión tropical Narda está disipando o algo así. Y en el noroeste Pacífico hay 2 tormentas. Esta es tormenta tropical Nari y en las Filipinas tiene un señal de número 1 para este sistema. Sí, Santi/Nari. Y este es, según el JTWC, una zona de probabilidad alta y según el JMA, una depresión tropical sin nombre. Y esta es Cyclone tropical 2. En la bahía de Bengala o algo así. Y está moviendo hacia India. Sí. Es una gran tormenta tropical, sin nombre en el momento, pero creo que tiene un nombre o algo así. En la futura, o el futuro, no puedo recordar el futuro o la futura, no sé nada. Y esto es todo en español. So yeah, we'll go back in reverse order. So this thing is currently Tropical Cyclone 2. I think that in it should get a name at some point. They have names over here, but apparently tropical storm strength is not the threshold in this basin for it to procure a name or something of the sort. And this thing is pretty big already and moving to India, so going to be causing problems out there. And then this is Tropical Storm Nari. And in the Philippines, they have a signal number 1 in effect for this storm. And then, of course, this thing might reach typhoon strength at some point in the future. And then per the JTWC, this thing over here is just a high chance of tropical cyclone. Well, I should say not just. High is the highest that it gets. But according to the JMA, they're already calling it a tropical depression, which was true of like 2 or 3 days ago. They were calling it an unnamed tropical depression, and the JMA was calling it a low chance of tropical cyclone formation at the time. What is this? Nada is barely a tropical cyclone, so probably the final advisory will be coming out on that one shortly. And then over here, 60% chance of tropical cyclone formation in the next 48 hours and a 90 in the next 5 days. This thing, if it were to turn into something and reach tropical storm strength, would be Tropical Storm Octave, however that's pronounced. This area all the way out here has a 30% chance right now and as high as a 40% in the next 5 days. But of course, given how far out it is, it's got plenty of time to turn into something if it wants to. Yes. In U.S., severe thunderstorm weather, absolutely nothing happening today. But tomorrow, 15% chance. Originally, this was as high as a 30%, and that was when it was part of the day 4 outlook. So they've actually backed off somewhat on the intensity of the numbers or whatnot. So 15% chance tomorrow. And then it's, day 3 is, we'll see if anything happens, right? And then tapers off again. I don't know. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. I don't know why I keep doing that. There you go. There's that one. Well, that's mostly off the thing. That thing overlaps 2 different basins. Something is wrong with that one. There's a big black hole. Well, not a hole so much as a rectangle. A black rectangular hole. Yeah, that makes absolute sense. Anyway, that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.